This is James Mann, Blackboard Report. We're here with Mickelson. Black Magic Lindor. What a magnificent job tonight. You finished that with the quickness, my brother.
That's the fastest I ever finished the fight. And even in my successful amateur career, I never finished the fight that quickly. He was a striker. We were preparing for a war. I know I'm more technical, faster, more explosive than him, and I wanted to use that to my advantage. But he took it to the ground, and I finished it.
I've seen a couple of your amateur fights. Well, we could say that you're a striker also. I wasn't surprised, but with the quickness that you took him on the ground, your ground skills have really hyped up. Go ahead and tell us about that.
Absolutely. This is the sport of mixed martial arts, and you have to be ready and you have to be affluent in all aspects of fighting, including the ground. I mean, if these guys think they were going to come in here and take me down and grind me out and, you know, beat me in a grappling match, they're wrong, because I'm ready. I'm ready in all aspects of fighting. That's not the first submission victory I've gotten, but you know what? Knockout, submission, I'll take it.
Well, this is your pro debut, and congratulations on this submission. Okay, by rear naked choke. We're here with Mickelson, Black Magic Lindor. Boom, my brother. Boom,
I remember that from the amateur days. Boom,
Great job.